Okay, so one of the things we're going to be doing this year is using Class Dojo. So this is the tutorial on how to get your students signed up for Class Dojo. This is really important because some of the students' assignments will be required to use Class Dojo because it allows them to record videos and take pictures. So to make it easy, if you're going from a computer, there's a direct link here under Teacher Information, and it says Class Dojo link, so you can click on that link, and then that will take you to the screen. You will want to log in, and you have the parent login. The student way to do it, you would click Student, and it's going to ask you, oh no, it already logged my daughter in. All right, sorry. It will ask you how you want to enter the class, and you can click on the sign in with Google, and that will automatically do it if you are signed in with your child's account onto the computer, or you can enter the class code. So you press that, and it is FYMICT, and then you find your name. And let's see, I'm going to click me, because that's me. I put myself as a student. And now I am all set. You'll see that the first assignment is actually Wednesday, but I wanted to put it on here so you could see what you were going to need to do to help your student. And I'm asking for their favorite book. So for an assignment, this time I want a video. You'll just click Start, and you'll be able to record for the video. While we're here, I'm going to show you quickly how to do it on your phone. So moms and dads, it will look like this. If you have both of you logged in, you'll click that top one and you'll be able to actually switch accounts. So I'm going to switch to the student account now. And then there we have it. We have the student account, and it asks for, it shows that there's one activity to do. So it's pretty easy. Download the Classroom Dojo app to be able to do it on your phone, or you can do it straight on the web.